How to get Bisento in Blox Fruits C. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the step-by-step process of obtaining the legendary sword known as Bisento in the game Blox Fruits. Acquiring this powerful weapon is a relatively simple task that involves purchasing it for a hefty sum of 1 million in-game currency. To make this purchase, players must visit the Master Sword dealer located on the island in the Skylands, and however, it is essential to note that a minimum player level of 250 is required to make the transaction. Upon reaching the Skylands and locating the Master Sword dealer in the grassy area, players will be presented with the option to purchase either the dual-headed blade for 400,000 currency or the coveted Bisento sword. Opting for the sword, players will need to ensure they meet the level requirement before proceeding with the purchase. Once a transaction is completed, the Bisento sword will be immediately accessible for use, allowing players to wield its legendary powers in the battles. For those seeking to enhance their Bisento sword further, there is an option to upgrade it at the blacksmith. This upgrade process includes obtaining the second version of the sword, which involves additional challenges such as defeating Gabriel in the Mermine Fortress. However, the primary focus of this video is on acquiring the initial version of the Bisento sword, simplifying the process for players looking to add this formidable weapon to their arsenal in the Blox Fruits. I trust that this detailed guide has been beneficial in assisting you with obtaining the Bisento sword in the Blox Fruits. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in and happy gaming!